video diary. I just decided to try this. Don't know if I'll stick with it, but we'll see how it goes. This is my second chance garage. Named it that because I give all my projects a second chance at life. And thanks to this little guy, Wednesday night, I'm getting a second chance. I had a heart attack. Got rushed straight to the hospital and had a stent put in. So now I'm going to try my hand at this. This is going to be a 68 Chevy short bed C-10. Not sure what year the frame actually is. 71, 72, I believe. Had disc brake front end on it, unless somebody else had put that on there. Cab is actually titled as a 69. Got a short bed to go with it. Got some firewall parts over here that I will be adding on to mine because somebody cut all this out when they was fixing the floor pan at some point. Got a little rust going on up there, so I think I'm just going to replace the whole thing and be done with it. I got a little start on the frame already. Wasn't planning on doing any of this video vlogging, is what they call it, I guess, these days, till I was already started on it. Got a new cross member from Performance Online waiting to go in. Got the C-notch that I purchased off eBay. Had to modify to fit. Wasn't a very good product, but it was meant to be a bolt-on kit on the outside of the frame, and I didn't like the way it fit, so I cut it all apart and welded it to the inside. Also going to be doing the rear tank. Mine's a little more custom than others I've seen. Probably behind the license plate fill. I'm not using the standard Blazer tank conversion or 69 Camaro that hangs underneath the frame, or custom aluminum fuel cells that they sell. I'm not paying that much for a fuel tank. Here's what I'm using. Don't tell anybody, but it's out of a 65 Mustang. Cost me 99 bucks from Summit. Gonna have to modify the fill neck a little bit to get it to fit the way I want, but that shouldn't be an issue. Also, whoever had this truck before me had done some modifications to the front cross member that was there. I got this universal piece and cut it to fit, welded onto some plates so I can bolt it in, take it out if necessary. I moved it a little bit so it lines up with the core support mounts now. It's not quite as far back in the frame as the factory one. I don't think it'll be an issue, but I can always move it if I have to. Just gonna see how this project goes. Hopefully I'll be able to update these videos on the regular, and we'll go from there.